Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is the 10th video of our Basics of HR module with ACCU360 ERP series. In this video, we are going to learn the salary structure assignment for a particular employee, department or designation, as well as we will. So to assign a salary structure, we have to go to the HR module. Then we have to go to the payroll section, and in the payroll section we can see there is a salary structure assignment option. We have to go here. Here you can see I have already assigned the salary structure to Mr. Rajesh Kumar. So we do not have to assign the salary structure for Mr. Rajesh Kumar. Now what I will do, I will generate a salary structure to our other employees, correct? So in this example, let's take Priya Sharma and we will assign the salary structure to the Priya Sharma. Okay, so here you can see the salary, the employee name, employee department and employee designation is also appeared in front of us as soon as we selected the employee code. Okay, now in the base we have to mention the gross salary of the employee, which we have already learned in our previous video. Okay, so let's mention it as 40,000, and in the variable we can mention the variable proportion of the salary if we are giving it to our employees. Okay, now here we have to select the salary structure. So our salary structure was new salary 3. Okay, and here we have to also select the date from which this salary structure is applicable to a particular employee. Okay, so I will select 1st January for this video. Okay, and in the income tax slab we can mention the income tax slab for the particular employee. It can be vary according to your company's taxation system. Okay, now we will save this salary structure. Okay, now this salary structure is still in draft. To give effect to of this salary structure to the employees, what we have to do is we have to permanently submit this salary structure document. Okay, so now our salary structure is successfully assigned to Priya Sharma. Okay, here you can see it's showing submitted, correct? But what if we want to assign a salary structure to a particular department, or you can say a designation, or multiple employees? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go back to our HR module, and in the HR module we have to go to our salary structure option. Okay, and in the salary structure option we have to open the salary structure which we want to assign. Okay, so I want to assign new salary 3. So this salary structure I want to assign to our employees. So what will I do? I will click on assign to employees, and here I will select the department. So let's just quickly see which departments we have. Okay, so let's go to our employee list. So we have an associate Anjali Singh in the HR department. Okay, so let's just quickly assign the salary structure to her. Okay, so here what we will do, we will again go to the salary structure and we will click on this assign to employee button. Then finally we will click on the employee department and in the department let's select human resources, and here in the date we have to mention the date. Okay, so let's say from 1st January again, and in the base we have to mention the salary. Okay, then we will click on this assign button. Okay, so you can see the salary structure is assigned to each and every employee in the human resource department. Okay, let's just go to our salary structure assignment and see, and here you can see the salary structure assignment is assigned to the Anjali Singh, which is our only employee in HR department. If we have multiple employees in HR department, the software would automatically assign the salary structure to each and every employee in that particular department. Okay, so that's how we assign our salary structure to our employee. Now let's go back to the home page. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you find it very helpful and informative. Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes in the Basics of HR module with ACCU360 ERP series. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Till then, thanks a lot for watching.